Are you getting the CapCut network error on your PC? Or maybe it keeps saying no internet connection, even though your Wi-Fi works just fine? Let's go step by step and fix this problem so you can get back to editing without interruptions. The first thing to check is whether your CapCut app is up to date. Outdated versions often cause connection problems. So, open CapCut on your PC, and if there's a new update available, you'll see a notification in the top right corner. Click on it, download the update, install it, and then restart the app. Keeping CapCut updated usually fixes a lot of these bugs. If the issue continues, let's test your internet speed. Go to a site like speedtest.net in your browser. Run a quick test to see if your connection is fast and stable. If the numbers are low, or if you're using mobile data, try switching over to a reliable Wi-Fi network instead. After that, close CapCut completely, reopen it, and check if the error is gone. Now, if you're still running into problems, another common fix is to use a VPN. Download a trusted VPN service like NordVPN or ProtonVPN. Install it, then log in or create a free account. Once you're inside the app, connect to a fast server, for example in the US or UK. After connecting, restart CapCut and open it again. Many users find that using a VPN completely bypasses the network error. So, to recap, update your CapCut app, make sure your internet is stable, and try connecting through a VPN if nothing else works. That should resolve the issue in most cases. If this video helped you, give it a like, and subscribe for more step-by-step PC tutorials. And if you found another fix that worked, share it in the comments so others can benefit too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.